Yeah, it's a Bay Snake with a hauler junk removal. We're out here today in Vista. We're gonna be removing some patio furniture. All these pieces. So check it out. We're gonna be moving it, getting it out. They got some new furniture coming in, so they called us, the hauler junk removal, to get it hauled away for them. So we'll take these items and we'll probably repurpose them because they're still in really good shape. Check them out. There's like 4 pieces. 5th, we already took 1 out before we started this video. But yeah, it's still in really good shape. So these people just have, you know, some money to burn and they're gonna be purchasing all new. So check it out. So if you have any patio furniture that you're ready to get rid of and it's time to get some new stuff, give us a holler. We'll haul it away for you. Same day, next day. So we're gonna put this on time lapse and check it out. We're gonna move 1 piece out at a time. We just take it away. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Boom, boom, boom. It's gone. Bam, same day, same hour, next day. Whatever you need, give us a holler. HollerJunkRemoval.com, 760-331-3289. We'll be there. Guarantees, brah. Give us a call. Check it out.